accelerate it. It's a combination of corn. Show my face. Combination of corn, scent leaves, granules. So let me. I think they're already perceiving the distance. Video the noilers. They're already gathering around their feeding arena. So let's see how it goes. Yeah. Fire cut. It's feeding time. What's it? Oh yeah.
Letting the sub.
It looks like yellow Gary.
Yes.
They don't want to. You see which kind of food is this? Oh yeah. What's it? This one.
No,
like it. Why I collect it from my hand?
It felt like a camera.
It seems they don't like it. They are not liking it, have you?
Yeah.
See, that one is going. I'm running away. I don't want. What kind of food is this?